always and forever be a Shatta fan. And they don't know. I'm a proud Shatta fan. I'll forever defend Shatta. I'll forever stand with it. And I stand with Shatta in good times and in bad times. I'll say congratulations to Shatta. I'll say congratulations to the Shatta movement. I'll say a big ups to SammybaahFlex and his team. I mean, as a radio presenter, you've made it. As a social media influencer, you've made it. As a manager, I remember when people say you will fail, you will sack you will not have control and everything. But when everything seems down, you brought it up.
Mami taking this opportunity. Na Shatta Wale team na omo share to nyoma ma sa adwumadi e ba so no ye na o mase, especially SammybaahFlex, Mr. Sammy. Ushia Mr. Sammy obebia na munda nase. Ewiase ne obia na obebi opuna ma na obebema onyoma wo ye beyeye me kan krachrew. Enye obia na obie opunu ma no se uni ni di dwuma bia na se oni ni ye adwuma no etimi konkan utimi nya sunsum utimi nya gidie utimi nya that power. But SammybaahFlex ono so ni nyame odi na chi no Sammy or good energy. I'm telling you before God and man. Mr. SammybaahFlex and in the team. Omonso nyame nhyira omo. Onse nche bia Shatta Wale the new team bi ba bonten. Emma content creators bi kura be attack be sre. Sammy say ye demote. Oh nyoma bebre. But Shatta Wale nipa oye na adia. I think so the enyum kura say Shatta Wale ye na adia ye kom ye na adia ye din. Wale answer na onfa bibi mra bonten say oye bibi no. I can tell you for a fact, say, now Wale, next 5 years, next 3 years, next 10 years.
I'll say congratulations to Shatta. I'll say congratulations to the Shatta movement. I'll say a big ups to SammybaahFlex and his team. I mean, as a radio presenter, you've made it. As a social media influencer, you've made it. As a manager, I remember when people say you will fail, you will sack you will not have control and everything. But when everything seems down, you brought it up. I went to MTN Momo for discussions for sponsorship. And I was there when the Shatta team came in. And I knew I've lost the sponsorship. Because the brand Shatta, the numbers, the presence, the top of mind. And per this conversation, what has happened? MTN's budget for the year is gone. But the influence and the impact on sales and the brand positioning and the talkability from March 2026. The numbers Shatta pulled is strong. Shatta has done it, and SammybaahFlex needs to be acknowledged. You sit on radio. Yes, you're a radio presenter, but in the field of the job we do as a creative people, as creative business, what's your achievement? What have you done? So when you're going to attack Shatta Wale, or you want to insult SammybaahFlex, or you want to hate her, you can criticize them. It is part of the game. But throwing jabs and going at them, please bring your CV. Because they keep raising the bar. They keep raising the bar. They keep raising the bar. And I think they've done awesomely well. And I appreciate them. And I believe they've done better than what. And it keeps getting better. The love, the numbers, everything. He's the street king and you can't take it away from him. Shatta has grown and has gone through a lot of phases. But Shatta has never differentiated or has never left bandana. Shatta always makes sure he moves with the bandana, though now he's Shatta Wale. That is brand authority, brand presence. He has a brand statement. The brand positioning is that is loved, is bold, is confident, and it allows you to be yourself. And I say, SammybaahFlex, you've done a yeoman's job. And Shatta Wale, keep going how you're going. Be you. They will talk, that makes you a legend. Whatever you do, that the conversations that come around it, how people see it, what they will say, it's like what is going on with Lumba. That is what Lumba is. That is legendary. So if anything you do, there is conversation that can change the dynamics of the conversation of the nation. That makes you an influencer. This is what is called legend. And you're a living legend. Congratulations. And SammybaahFlex, keep doing what you're doing. Let them underestimate you. Hey, let them throw anything. But you keep learning, and you apply the knowledge you've learned, and you always take it to a different level. Shut them down with work, with performances, with quality music. Let them know by learning from what you have done. I will always and forever, I will always and forever be a Shatta fan. And they don't know. I'm a proud Shatta fan. I will forever defend Shatta. I'll forever stand with it. And I stand with Shatta in good times and in bad times. Pa.
Anunti, what to say? A man for a casedi pa ma den. A man in your mama. A town from Soka. Nipa na ekosia ho no enya Shatta Wale adofo nko na ekosia ho Shatta Wale atamfo nso ko nyame mentia eni nipa enu nti no enkrofo bi omu tan Shatta Wale nyina ko he se no kre se enipa ba na se nipa ma no ma omanya bia ba abonte abeka sa enkrofo ni nyina ko feel ho ma Wale etru se nyame hira wa o yusu bi bia around you to bless you. Now all of a sudden, if you can't beat them, you join them. Traditional media, media, obiebo walidin. Efe, akono. Ni fa baby so, eja. Se obu nkompo ehwe wachi, na hwe ntokwa Wale akon, okofwe Wale videos. Wale tibi kon sa. Wasi, oh God. Enye izo, unya bro. But se okun na chi no, ebeye nkunimdie se ya. Eye hope. Nia esie no. Enye obi ana oso okachiro. Se wo hwamia no kra mpese me kachiro na edua no. Enye obi na oso okachiro se enipa more than 500,000 600,000 ye ko ho. Uwe ni Days ya ye womu enye obi na ka me bi kire obi o days we na ye womu no nye media bi na so ka kire o say bibi say because so now age we na ye womu no obi a ye media house asem medical ka me say repeat biem wo mobile phone na chese won so ye media house because most of the content na ye hwe ni nyina no ye individuals na do mo phone etwitwa ye e ma wiase nyina hu ye enye even media house asakese bia emre bia etwam a enkomudo mo phone ebe omudo mo cameras ebe kwa kwotwa ba bia nipa ni a publish picture ketwa bi ewo mu newspaper mu ewo mu TV stations so ewo omo radio stations so aka che Ghana for say nipa mpo ama obaji adi because medium ben na odi ko hu say nipa bai ka obaji adi no maka Shatta Wale na so odi 24 ntie on say event no bia ama ayeka. Oh, say game no MTN for the aboka. Bip tan. My publication be afa no ma from ho adi. Only one wa ko say comfortable call because that time no medium be me no se me ensape. But ene die ya me no kasa die. It's a total different story altogether. Media house be enu ebetimi atwa wontro. Now media house for no betimi aye force publication about event na course no but uye nipa wa wo fa phone na wo hwe crowd no obi enye obi na so ka kire say nipa 600,000 copy ho enye we kra na ni say Shatta movement camp na the publication be about bonten na nke ye nyai ne saa wo de wo fa phone na wo hwe so na wo hwe the number of people mu kopie wo hwe videos ama for do mu phone eye ya enye obi na be ka kire wo ba wiase no say event bi say obi birthday when you use any medium you use internet for almost like 2-3 weeks per a project here enipa way e kopie ho a so one who be da and last thing I make come me man obesi ni na mo mema remfi se wa manone na opese odi sika ekọ Ghana you should learn fi me no ka say this month sika bi adbekọ Ghana bia emu 2% o mesa de amount back abri bia person sa send sika no untu botomo eye sa 2% no matete egu ona no na ebi adani sika do sopo no wasa send e de kọ Ghana ana dodo na mabusuafo ewa America no ada bia mo ka kire mo so mo mremu bibi o mo nyese no mo de me patche no Mr. Box Oak Logistics aba o se wo America mem na person de enyoma home use bia o da ho nyoma o party ayie djuma bia wo di bia person de free America eba Ghana o machi no company bia ni ho o free Box Oak Logistics a ka kire mo say and I'm the BonahShow so and I'll tell you can print na 10% your dear and I'll free so a any gisem crack as say o ma tuka eba wo aboboa no ebe box in your money nyina e de kọ Ghana asomdwe mu ma but phone pay we na pede. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of the Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon show na until enim show. I'm out.